Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Good now? Hmm. Last class, we read about vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are known as vowels. 5 vowels are there in English alphabet. So, what are they? A, E, I, O, U. You have to read this one. A for apple, arrow, axe. The sound of A is A. E for elf, egg, envelope. The sound of E is A. I, ink, insect, igloo. The sound of I is E. So you have to read this one. Let's go for O and U. O, orange, octopus, ox. U, empire, umbrella, under. Practice this one. This is our last class chapter. Now come to page number 15. Come to page number 15. Words that start with vowel A. Apple. See, the words start with A. Ant. It starts with A. Alligator. Yes, the words start with A. Axe. Arrow. Ankle. So this word starts with A. Now you have to read this one. Everything you have to read and send a video. Next part, words that have vowel A in the middle. See, all the words here have vowel A in the middle. Crab, A in the middle. Rat, A also in the middle. Sake, it is also A is in the middle. Van, A is in the middle. Mango and bag, all the A's are in the between or in the middle. Let's put the date. We will go to page number 16. Put the date. What is today's date? 16/6/2021. Tick the pictures. You have to tick. Put the date. Tick the pictures whose names start with the vowel A and circle the ones that have vowel A in the middle. अभी हमने पढ़ा ना all the words. So let's start. Arrow. It starts with the letter A, vowel A. So tick it. Shake. The word S-A-C-K. It don't starts with A, but it comes in the middle. So circle the picture. Rat. It also comes in the middle. The vowel A comes in the middle. So circle it. Next, mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. The vowel A comes in the middle. Circle it. Crab. C-R-A-B, crab. The vowel A comes in the middle. Circle it. Ankle. A-N-K-L-E. Ankle starts with letter A. So tick it. And it also starts with letter A. Tick. Apple. You have to tick because it starts with A. Van. V-A-N. Van. A comes in the middle. So circle it. Next, page number 17. Words that start with vowel E. Words that start with vowel E. See, all the words here starts with vowel E. So let's read it. E-G-G, egg. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. E-M-P-T-Y, empty, खाली है. Empty. E-L-B-O-W, elbow. E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E, envelope. E-L-F, elf. E-L-F, elf. एल्फ क्या होता है? वन इमेजिनरी क्रिएचर होता है. इमेजिन करते हैं कि छोटे एल्फ बहुत छोटे छोटे होते हैं और वो हेल्प करने आते हैं. वो स्टोरी सुना है आप लोगों ने? द एल्फ एंड द शू मेकर। बहुत गरीब था शू मेकर और एल्फ उसे हेल्प करने आते थे, उसका शूज़ बना देते थे, न्यू न्यू शूज़। तो वो जल्दी से अमीर बन गया और उनके लिए शू मेकर ने बहुत छोटे छोटे कपड़े बनवाए थे। नेक्स्ट, वर्ड्स दैट हैव वाउल ई इन द मिडिल। अभी हम पढ़ेंगे द वर्ड्स दैट have vowels in the middle, vowel E in the middle. So nest, nest, E comes in the middle, well, well, E comes in the middle. Pet, pen, pen, jelly, jelly, dress, dress. आपको पढ़ना है ये. So put the date. Put the date. It is page number 18, 16/6/2021. Tick the pictures whose names start with the vowel E and circle the ones that have vowel E in the middle. See, egg. It starts with vowel E. Tick it. Nest, nest. The E comes in the middle. Circle. well, E comes in the middle. Pen, pen. E comes in the middle, so circle it. elbow, elbow. Elbow starts with letter E, so take it. Pet, E comes in the middle, circle it. Envelope, E comes in the letters. This word envelope starts with letter E, so tick it. Jelly, jelly, E comes in the middle, so circle it. Elephant, you know, it starts with letter E. Tick it. This is your book work. Now come to our notebook. See, last class we learned about vowels. Put the date. Write down A, E, I, O, U. You have to write this one. Okay. See, let's see how to write. You know all the small letters. So, small letters we are using by making curves. We are going to write A, E, I, O, U. Remember to touch both the lines, both blue lines. Okay, this is your today's work, notebook work. Then come, today we will write this one also. The words starts with A and E. Only two words I have given you. Two words. So you know how to write the cursive small letters. Start from here, make a curve and slowly make N. You don't have to lift your pencil or your hand. And then X, A, X, E, X, then elf. This starts with letter E. Elf, ELF, elf. Then EGG, egg. This you have to practice at home, today's work. See how I am writing? You don't have to lift your pencil. And X, elf, egg. Now words that have vowel A and E in the middle are A, T, rat. V, A, N, van. W, E, L, well. P, E, N, pen. Then now we will go for, do you remember last class on 11/6/2000 I told you to write A to H in capital letters. A to H in capital letters. Today we will write I, J, K, L. Capital letters, cursive capital letters. Start from the top blue line, go to red line, then come back to again bottom blue line. J. This one you have to touch both the red lines. K, L. See, you have to practice this at home. I, J, K, L. This is your today's work. Complete it and send it to me. And reading also. I need your reading.